Grand systemic corruption has done incalculable harm to the capacity of Nigeria to deliver the dividends of democracy and good governance. Chairman of the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, ICPC, revealed that several government ministries and parastatals are being investigated for corruption. Sifon Isian reports.
Nigeria is in dire straits. The cost of governance continues to rise while available resources dwindle. According to a brief by the Anti-Corruption Academy of Nigeria, ACAN, actual recurrent spending for MDAs rose from 3.61 trillion naira in 2015 to 5.26 trillion naira in 2018 and 7.91 trillion naira in 2020. This forum at the Presidential Villa on Diminishing Corruption in the public sector identifies corruption among other factors responsible for the increasing cost of governance.
We are dealing with systemic corruption, and this implies that corruption has permeated the fabric of society, including governance. Thus, the institutionalization of corrupt practices in the machinery of governance.
The issues of corruption in Nigeria have become endemic and pervasive over the years, costing the country trillions of naira that will have been channeled into economic development.
The third in the series, the forum also identifies incompetence, waste in the governance structure and processes as setbacks to the delivery of democratic dividends and good governance.
ICPC investigation of some cases of illegal recruitment, for example, forwarded to us by the head of the Civil Service of the Federation, has so far implicated the Ministry of Labour and the University College Hospital Ibadan, and a number of corrupt staff of other MDAs at a lower level. This abuse of power is consummated with complicity of compromised elements in IPs.
The ICPC chairman explains that corrupt practices are exemplified by several sharp practices, including duplicity of budgeting for projects, payroll padding, illegal recruitment, and remuneration. But the president is optimistic that despite the enormity of the challenges, efforts in tackling them are in the right direction.
Following the full implementation of several resources-saving and anti-corruption measures such as the Treasury single account to ensure that all government revenue is held by the Central Bank of Nigeria, and retain prevention measures to promote transparency and minimize laundering of the proceeds of crimes, we need to intensify cost-saving measures.
The efforts would also require the buy-in of the private sector.
The forum is resolute that the rising cost of governance is no longer sustainable in the face of dwindling resources, and the best time to fight corruption is now. Sifon Isian, TVC News, Abuja.